So if you've been RVing any length of time, you know that sometimes you have to pull out the games. It might be raining, or you just might be hanging out with friends. So today we want to share with you some of our favorite games.
But we're not going to stop there. We have asked some of our friends to do guest appearance on our show for this week, our video for this week. And they're going to tell us their favorite games that they like to play. And some of them I've never even heard of.
Yeah, but if that's not enough to build your list, we're in a collaboration with some other YouTubes. I'll list them here on the screen and down in the description below. And they're going to have a list. So you're going to have some games that you've played years ago, or you're going to have some games that you've never heard of that you're going to say, I want to give that a try. So we encourage you to watch our video until the end, and then go over and watch the other videos so you can build that list of your favorite games.
Yeah, because, you know, learning from others is what we're all about.
Yep. Let's jump into it.
So one of my favorite games that I've been playing for years is Mexican Dominoes. A couple of reasons. It's great when you've just got 2 people. Some games are just way more fun when you've got a lot of people playing them. Mexican Dominoes is great for 2 people. And the second reason, I can beat Danny like a drum on this game.
But it is for more people too. You can play up to 8. So and having a picnic table gives you plenty of room. Sometimes you get on a table and the trains are going everywhere. So
yeah, the picnic table makes it really nice because it's so big. And this one's concrete, so it's very level too, which is awesome.
yes.
So
I'm gonna start a Mexican train too. You go? Mm-hmm. Where'd you go?
I had to draw.
You gonna keep drawing till you can go?
No, my train goes up.
Oh.
Oh man. Everybody gets lucky sometimes.
We are Bill and Deanna of Living the Silver Life, and we do have quite a few games that we play
We do.
on the road.
Some of our favorites, of course, are card games. We like playing Progressive Rummy, which I rarely win.
That's my favorite.
So we have to switch when I lose too much to either Cribbage or Yahtzee.
Yeah.
And then I have a chance.
Because then it could go either way.
And if we're with a bunch of friends, we always break out the Dominoes.
Oh yeah, because you got to play
Perfect.
Train.
Yep.
Yes.
Love Dominoes.
Oh, love Train. It's my favorite.
So aside from sharing with you some of our favorite games, we thought we would share with you some of our friends' games and just ask others so that you don't just get our opinion. And tonight we're hanging out with
the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. We're here to show Danny and Lynn our second favorite game, because the first favorite game
is the one I win all the time at.
I couldn't find my marbles.
She lost her marbles?
I lost my marbles.
You lost your marbles.
So this is the game of golf. So what you do is you deal the cards. They do not look at them. We have 2 decks of cards. They do not look at them. They pick 2 to turn over.
So I went.
So Danny went. He picked those 2. Okay, the object of the game is to match. For me to get another 6, that counts 0. If I end up with a 5 here, then I'm going to have 11 points. If you get a joker, the joker can go anywhere you want it to, and it counts -3. If you get a queen, which he got a queen, so that's 0. So that's the object of the game. So you just draw.
Take the 10 if you need it. You don't need a 10, so just draw one. Now you got a 2.
So you want to get rid of.
I would turn over, either get rid of the jack.
How many points is a jack worth?
10.
10.
You wanted to get down to 0 points.
Right.
Right. The lowest, like golf, the lowest
All right,
you
go.
get.
So just like in golf, the object of this game is to get the lowest score.
And I won again.
You did not. Tommy won. Danny did
quite on the
not
set.
win.
Quite on the set. Tommy.
Yeah, Tommy won. Danny did not win.
He's a YouTuber. He knows he's supposed to be quiet on the set.
And you want to get 4 things matching to give your opponents 25 points.
So Medina just told us if you got 4 6s or 4 of any kind, that gives each other opponent 25 points. so you can really
Yeah.
cause them some trouble.
Yeah.
So this is an easy game, and it'd be fun to play once we get the hang of it. And so we're gonna play another hand.
Hey guys, I'm Deb.
I'm Joel.
And we're chasing our sunshine. And Lynn and Danny asked us what our favorite game to play while RVing.
And it is Kubb. And it is a Swedish game where you throw these batons and other wooden sticks and try to knock the opponents down.
Yes, there is some sort of actual strategy to all of it, but we have so much fun doing it. And we'll warn you, watch your shins when these come bouncing across because it does leave a mark.
And you always want to have a beer in the other hand.
Yeah, but we love this game. We carry it with in our RV and we can play it almost anywhere.
It's super easy setup and it's super fun to play with the group.
So we are going to play my all-time favorite card game. It's called Spoons. And the only thing you want to do is get 4 of a kind. Yell spoons, grab your spoon before anyone else does. And let me warn you, it can get very, very violent. So, Naomi's going to tell us her favorite camp game that she likes to play when she's out RV.
I love to play Uno Flip. Not Uno, but Uno Flip. It is crazy. I love it. It eats up hours of brain time. That's my favorite.
So we've always loved Uno. And someone went out and got Uno Flip, which is just crazy.
My granddaughter Leah taught me to play it.
Yeah, it is so fun. Just when you think you're about to win, someone pulls a flip card, so you change your card over from one to the light edge to the dark edge.
There's a dark side to Uno now.
And it's really dark.
Ah, dark side of Uno.
Because you
Dark
get a
side.
+5 on the dark side.
Okay, Jim, what's your favorite camp game to play?
I think cornhole is awful important to play. You get a bunch of people together and they don't cheat as bad when you're playing cornhole.
So Rummy is an all-time favorite game of campers everywhere. It's one that we have been playing for years and years, and you can play it with 2, as we do here, or as many as you have around the campfire.
Or the table.
Or the table. Cindy, what's your favorite game to play when you're camping?
Phase 10.
I've never played it. Card game?
Card game, yes. Lots of fun.
How many people?
You really don't need any more than 6. You can play more, but you have to use more decks.
Okay.
And is that with
Cool.
drinking or without?
And that is with drinking.
Since they wouldn't let me win at any game, I pulled out the Suspend Game.
This looks crazy.
It is crazy. Okay, beginner, take turns hanging pieces, starting with the longest piece, working toward the shortest piece. The player to run out of pieces.
Don't rock the RV.
Don't do it.
Oh, I don't know where I can go.
Rain's coming down.
Don't laugh.
You're making me laugh.
Oh, good job. Oh, there it went.
She pushed it.
I did not.
She's got the thing in her hand. Look.
I did not.
Evidence.
You pushed it.
I did not.
So what'd you think? Did you pick up a new game or 2 that you can add to your list to play the next time you're out and it's raining or whatever? I personally can't wait to go over to the other people in this collaboration and see what games they've got so we can add some new ones to our list. And don't forget to go over and watch them yourself. They're gonna have a lot of great ideas, I have no doubt.
Yeah.
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.